Welcome back to JVT, Jeff Veritech, and this is Jeff here. And yes, if you guys have seen my last video of the 1 month review of the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, there's a mysterious one more thing and two more thing. The mysterious two more thing. The first one will be the Xiaomi 12. Alright, and the second one, I have another video coming out. But if you guys are, maybe you will guess what is the other one. This is the white boxes, and what about the black boxes? If you guys are familiar with the Xiaomi 12 series, you should know about it. What's the next one? Alright, but without further ado, let's unbox it and have the first impression of the Xiaomi 12. And by the way, shout out to Xiaomi Singapore. Yes, my dream come true. The first one I reviewed, remember, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G. Alright, that is their so-called their sub brand, and this is the main brand. Finally my dream come true. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox it and have our first impression of the Xiaomi 12. Let's go. Alright guys, let's see what we have inside here. Alright, yes, exciting. Alright, let's put it here, and yep, let's put it aside first. Main issue is we look at the phone. Alright, yeah, you guys can see Xiaomi 12. Alright, it say 50 megapixel pro grade camera, main camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 120 Hz dual speaker, sound by Harman Kardon, 67 watt wired and 50 watt wireless, turbocharging, long lasting 4500 mAh battery. Alright, and guess what color they sent me? Alright, let's unview it together. Yeah, I love the sound and the sticker sound of the brand new phones. The sticker and the plastic, the sound they made, oh my god, it's so soothing. My goodness. Yeah, I got a purple color, so beautiful, and certain angle there's a rainbow shine of like a bit of blue color shining along. It's so nice, so beautiful. Alright, so let's continue and see what we have inside the boxes here. Okay, so yep, standard, we have the cable. Alright, cable here, and yes, you got the 67 watts fast charger as well. Alright, 67 watts fast charger here. So I put it aside here, and let's see what we have inside here. The boxes here. So normally I think with some leaflet inside, and oh wow, yes, you see, the other time, remember when I was unboxing my Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, I joke about, only buying budget friendly mid-ranger. We got, the charger and the so-called like plastic casing, but no, Xiaomi treat everyone equally. Alright, even for the flagship as well, they give you everything. Cables, especially the plastic casing, you can use it out of the box for your phone so that you won't get any scratches or anything. Alright, so Yep, and of course the SIM ejector tools and the instruction, quick start guide, the safety information, the warranty card inside here. Alright, so okay. Alright, here we are. Yes, it takes some time to set up the phone slightly a bit here and there, and yep, we are back. And let's talk about this phone briefly, about the specs and everything. So the build of the phone is glass front and back, whereas glass Victus, right? And come with dual SIM supported. It's an AMOLED screen, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR 10 plus, 1100 nits brightness, 6.28 inches, and my guys, it's so good to hold in the hand. Since my about 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago, yep, my last smallest phone is the iPhone 10, I think about 4-5 years ago. iPhone 10, 5.8 inches, and this is 6.28. My goodness, it's back to those, you know, one-handed feeling, so nice in the hand. Because after the iPhone 10, the 5.8 inches, I changed to Xiaomi Mi Max 3, which is a 6.9 inches coming to 7 inches. It's humongous, it's huge and humongous. As I told you guys, it's so humongous, I have to use a pop socket, yep, to, you know, hold it. And this one, no, you can just hold it simply in the hand, so nice. And after Mi Max 3 6.9 inches, all my phone, Samsung S20 Plus 6.7 inches and S21 Ultra 6.8 inches, you know, it's crazy. Yep, and before that, the Redmi Note 11 Pro 5G, 6.7 inches or so. Yep. So this is one-handed feel, so nice. My goodness. The software, it comes with Android 12, MIUI 13, chipset, of course the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Alright, yeah, turn to the back, it's so beautiful. It comes with 3 cameras. The main camera 15 megapixel, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 5 megapixel tele micro. And the selfie camera, it comes with a 32 megapixel selfie shooter, stereo speaker, dual stereo speaker on top and at the bottom as well. Yeah, tuned by Harman Kardon. And of course come with standard MFC and, you know, infrared port at the top of the phone. And it comes with under display optical fingerprint sensor, which is so smooth, lightning fast in unlocking. See that? It came with a 4500 mAh battery, fast charging, 67 watts, 100% in 39 minutes. Is that fast? Wireless charging, 50 watts, 100% in 53 minutes. And you got reverse wireless charging as well. 10 watts, you can use it to charge your, you know, wireless buds, your smartwatch. Come with PD 3.0, quick charge 4 plus. Total, it'll be 4 color. There's this purple color, and there's another gray color which look like matte black, blue color, and green color. Total, there's 4 colors. Especially this purple color is just nice, you know. It's a nice purple with just a bit of shimmering of blue color in between, shiny, and their attention to details, the camera, especially the camera bump here. You can't see so well on the camera here, but actually certain angle, yeah, it's not showing on the camera here, but certain angle is actually this whole camera bump, what you see is gold color, but certain angle is actually pinkish color. This camera bump is like this purple and pinkish color. It's exactly the same. Yeah, that's what I like about this, their attention to detail with their cameras and camera bump here. I like it so much. And yep, not to worry, this color not only available for the 6.28 inches Xiaomi 12, the small size, it also available for the Xiaomi 12 Pro, which is the bigger size. If you want to get it for this color, it's available as well. Alright guys, so yes, we will stop here at the moment, and of course same thing, more video will be coming out for this Xiaomi 12, especially standard, the camera tests and gaming tests, and of course I'll be doing some shots as well for this Xiaomi 12. Alright, remember, sub to the channel for upcoming video of this and another video, another unboxing video coming up together with this, the another two more thing. This is one of the secret and another one. Look out for these two videos together. Alright, and yeah, stay tuned and share my channel and video to your friend or relative if they like mobile phone review as well. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. So stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.